Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl Shadera. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So obviously from the title, y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm about to restock my mini refrigerator that's in my bedroom. It's been a long time since I did a restock on my mini refrigerator. Please excuse the noise in the background. They are downstairs watching WrestleMania. So it's kind of loud in the background. I'm going to try to see if I can fix that noise in the background because they are really, really loud. But before I do anything with this refrigerator, I'm going to stop at Guitar Center and I might stop at Five Below to pick up a couple of items. Mr. G just barged in here like he owned this place. He came in here talking about something, why the clouds are red. I don't know what he's talking about, but anyway, I will be stopping at Guitar Center because my husband had to go pick something up. While I'm out there, I might stop at Five Below. I don't know. I might and I might not because I'm looking for these solely Eclipse glasses, and I can't find any at all. They online, but they will be here way after the fact. So that's defeating the purpose. So yeah, can't find any. And I guess while I'm out, I'll be looking around for these glasses. But if I can't find them, then oh well, I probably just take it and try to record it on my phone. But I'm definitely not looking directly into it. But I can't find any of those glasses in the stores in my area. But with that said, with that being said, I'm gonna take y'all with me briefly, and I might stop to get something to eat. And yeah, it's been a long time coming since I did a video like this, restocking my mini refrigerator, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, y'all. So I'm outside in my car, right? And I'm scared to freaking move my arm because I'm using my sunroof. But that's the sun right there. Like what? I want to turn down the brightness. Hold on. Let me see what happens if I turn it down. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I got it. Oh my God, I got it. Like what? Oh my God. I'm scared to move. Because if I move, I'm going to lose it. Hey, yo. It's literally right above me.
Oh my God.
OMG. Oh my God. I got it. Y'all, I cannot believe that we had an earthquake. Not one, but two. I mean, it wasn't an earthquake. I was just in the shower, you know, and I fell. And
Oh my God.
Even capturing the Statue of Liberty shaking.
No, but we did have an earthquake. That was crazy. The crazy part is I heard like noise in my room, but I wasn't for sure what that was. And then my oldest son came upstairs and was asking me. He had asked me if anybody was woke, and I'm like, no, everybody's asleep but me and you. And then when I picked my phone up, I seen that we had a 4.8. And then later on, it was a 4.0. Like, come on. I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. Okay? It is what it is. So I'm out and about with my husband. And I'm about to go get me something to eat and restock this refrigerator because it's well overdue. I hate when the edge control turns white right there. So yeah, I'm out and about to get something to eat, and then when I get home, I will restock my refrigerator. And yeah, let's get this day going. So y'all, I'm at Jack's about to get me something to eat. Y'all know this is my favorite spot. About to get me some seafood. I'm gonna show y'all. Get combo C, and I usually get crawfish, but I'm not getting the crawfish. I'm gonna just get shrimp and the snow crabs. I might get me something to drink. I don't know. But yeah, we got our favorite spot. Well, one of my favorite spots, Jack's. And I'm gonna have to go in, and when my food get here, I'm gonna show y'all before I start digging in, because I never show y'all exactly what's in my bag when I get it. So, yeah. And I look cute today. So here is my shrimp, and my crab, and my potatoes, and my corn. And I got a Shirley Temple. They don't serve alcohol, so it's just a regular Shirley Temple. My husband just got shrimp. But this is what my stuff look like. Hold up. Yeah. I'm about to go in. So yeah, I just had to show you how my food, I'm about to bless my food and dig in.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
Take some time just to get back before that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up and I take. Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you call, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when I Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna run out. Just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, 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 yeah. Hey, baby. I see you. So sexy, boy. So sexy, boy.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm you.
So I'm done restocking my refrigerator. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I mean, it's a short video, but it is what it is. It's a mini refrigerator. And that's what this video was all about. It wasn't about me shopping or doing anything else. That's what this video was about. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. If so, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I've been on vacation for a whole entire week. Tell me why it rained since that day. It rained every day since I've been on vacation. And how about when I go back to work, it's going to be in the 70s. No rain in sight. Make it make sense. And on top of that, we had an earthquake. Like, what? So, yeah, I'm going to just end this off right here. I love you guys. And it's been a while. I know. I just took a little break because I had to get my mind right. And just, you know, just had to get my mind right. Nothing personal. But, I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.